Text 780-991-2738 to book your Hydrovac truck. We do sewer and water potholing for excavation. Our fleet of 3D Line Hydrovac trucks are available for emergency hydrovac services. Potholing excavation, what is that?
It's simply that you're allowing pipe that is underground to have the soil around it excavated in a very safe manner so you can see what's going on. Basically, daylighting is bringing the daylight to the pipe. That's the simple process.
It uses pressure and water to break up the soil and then suck up the soil slurry, as it's called, so that you can look at the underground infrastructure. What are the benefits of the 3D Line potholing excavation?
It's cost effective, it's safe, and it's flexible. It can be done in frozen ground, up to 40 below zero.
3D Line Hydrovac can take care of potholing, exposing buried pipes, cables, culvert cleanups, service repair pits, trenching, and debris removal. 3D Line Hydrovac is fully certified. Simply scan to book your Hydrovac truck.